This is day one of my trip here at Harvest, and the mountains are so beautiful with the mist and the clouds covering it in Cherokee at the Harvest Casino and Resort. We're in this beautiful hotel room. I gotta show this show. Let me show you the room too. It's probably messy a bit, but okay, I won't show you too much stuff, but this is the room. It's nice and big. I love it. Nice painting. Of course, very feng shui. Hey, gotta be. Anyway, this is gorgeous. I love that. That's my favorite part right over there. Look at that. That is gorgeous. The beautiful view of the mountains and the mist. I don't know if that's mist or clouds, but it's I think it's clouds actually. We're in a reservation. It's beautiful. So, chat with you later. Bye.